Okay, let me take off the glasses because I feel like I'm in a safe zone now. I feel confident enough. There's not a lot of people around. I feel confident enough to talk to myself into a camera. Like, let's do this. I heard that the trains are driving between the town that I live and the town that I go to uni at I don't know.
What?
I want to test that out today. Don't look at me, it's Friday. Project's due, writing next week, so I'm in my I've been suffering, era. I'm in my but yeah. I'm gonna go refill water now, and then I'm gonna go to my tutorial where I have to complete this assignment with a partner for some type of like restaurant or project or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna like vlog when I'm in the train because I want to test it out. It is at 2:30 at like 27 minutes to 3, and then so like the train driver apparently is just like between 15 and 20 minutes, I don't know, I haven't checked, but it's at 2:30. I should be able to make it because my last class ends at 1 o'clock, unless I'm going to hang out with friends, which I doubt because I haven't messaged anybody or asked anybody and nobody asked me. So it's a solo date today, which is not the end of the world, like
we do not care.
Guys, it's Easter soon. What is the age when you're too old to receive Easter eggs? It's filling up quite fast. What if this is just tap water and they're lying to us? Like, you can taste the difference anyway, so that's good. If I drink some of the water while I fill it, it's considering stealing because like you don't pay for that little like milliliters, you know what I'm saying? Am I stealing? I didn't drink though, but would it be stealing? Don't know. Hi, refill please. Thank you very much. People just dropping their papers on the ground, this man. I need to find a bin for this paper that I picked up. No freaking ways. Guess where the paper's from? Can you see? Can you see? Okay, if you don't know the packaging, where I used to work, okay, there's a bin. But I quit there, for obvious reasons. Just moving on. Change of plans. An earlier train. Okay, let me take off my glasses. The train is at 12. My days, look at that pimple. The train is at 12, not 12, at 1. Say about 1. It's 10 past. It says for 10 past 1. There's a whole lecture class there that I walked past and I look like a crazy person. But anyway, I made eye contact with somebody there. It was so weird. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk to the train station now, and while I walk there, keep me company because I'm lonely. Oh my gosh, campus gives me so much anxiety because I don't want to do this. I usually take taxi because, for obvious reasons, because I don't have a license or a car. But like, I have my learners. My learners expired and then I went to go write again, passed. But I haven't taken any lessons yet. So maybe soon your boy will be driving. But for now, oh, look at my featuring my water. Also, it's not sparkling water. I just went to go refill it, and it was in a sparkling water bottle. I don't drink sparkling water because it tastes like water with spice. I don't drink spicy water. It's not gonna work out for me. So yeah. Ooh, look at that cute view of the Magistrates Court. So cute. I know, right? Landroshof. I don't know. Magistrates Court. Landroshof.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Landros. I can't see that far. Landros Kantoor. Magistrates offices. Oh, it's not the court, it's the offices.
Hi.
Okay. I think we are like 5 to 10 minutes away from the station. I'm gonna update you once I'm closer. Everybody else that does drink sparkling water, there's clearly something wrong with you guys and you need mental help. But that's a spiritual issue that you need to sort out yourself and not me, because I don't have that issue because I drink normal still spring water.
Daddy, chill.
I'm low-key like considering whether I should just turn around, because now it seems like a lot of effort, eh? Because what if I'm the only person on the train station and then I'm sitting there and then somebody like an axe murderer or somebody comes in to kill me? Like, what if they were targeting me and waiting for me? They were like, he's gonna definitely start using the train because he's an experimental babe. I'm thinking too high of myself.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
If an axe murderer comes, you know, come on, let's go. Kill me, bitch. Try your luck. You can try to kill me. You know, do what you have to do. But just know, it's not gonna end good for you.
No, yeah, I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me.
That's up here, bitch. My days. Is that a flood? Is that a flood? Is that a flood? Stellenbosch municipality? What's going on here? Come on, guys. Do not waste water. We live in Africa. Oh, it's a bad joke. Can you see it all the way up there? Okay. I'm about to come to this crossing. The last time I was here, I pressed the button on the side. I think I spoke about this in like some other video that I made of myself. But somebody shouted at me for pressing the button so it turns green so I can go over, because I'm only one person. I actually don't know why they shouted. And I want to go over without crossing the button, but you know, that may result in my death. So I'm not going to do that, and I don't care. Yay! At least this time nobody's shouting at me. Nobody's being like, why are you pressing the button, child? I actually like to let you know that I'm not a child. I am 20 years old. I'm classified as an adult in a lot of countries in this world. Train station in view sight. In sight. There it is. Okay, I see your taxis also here. So the option, okay, yeah, I get bumped. The option of like just dipping. Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. I wanted to know when's the next available train to Yesterday station?
10 past 1.
10 past 1. Okay, can I have a single, please?
Yesterday.
Yes, please.
So between 9 and 2, there's a discount. So your ticket was now 5 rand.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of it. This is how the ticket looks. So that's where the top is where. There was a discount between. There's 40% off in peak time. So instead of 8 rand, I paid 5 rand. It's quite a discount if you ask me. Like imagine 5 rand, ne? And I was gonna take a taxi. I'm saving money. So there's that as well. There's only one platform. Like not like the regular train stations where it's on both sides. There's only one. So like opposite, it's just like empty. There's like nothing going on. You're like over there, and then there's like people walking. They clearly love their lives and don't care if they get bumped over by the train, but you know, that's them.
And I've decided that I want to die.
I need to look at the code because I don't want to be getting. Sorry, is this the 10 past? Yeah, I was go forward. I'll die. Yeah. Getting so tired now. It's 5 past 1. I heard the whistle, but I don't know if I was imagining it or not, because I assume they still do the thing where there's like somebody outside blowing a whistle whenever it's like it's go time, people. That's first class. Does first class still look like it used to look? Look wow now. Oh, like yeah, oh, it's still like that. Oh, okay, cool. Because they don't have the yellow. This used to must be the yellow benches. I'm gonna go to the shop to buy me something to snack on while I'm in the train, and hopefully it doesn't drive away and I'm stranded or whatever. Is this the shop? Where do you go in? Is it here? Nope. And that's the bathroom. Hello. Sorry. Must I come in? Yo, but I'm here by the train, man. Divanko. Ja, maar hy het gesê ek moet omkom. Is he gonna? Okay, I'm just gonna go around. Okay, this is stressing me out now. Yeah, I come now, it's fine. I've got my glasses in the train, but I'm just going to the shop quickly and then we're gonna. So let me just do this fast. It's still there. Thank God. I saw you eating the chips and outside. Let's now. It was lekker na lang tyd, joh. Yeah. So the doors don't open automatically. Yeah, you have to like pull, just like give it a nudge and then it opens. I did not know that, but now I do, obviously. So that was a successful train ride. I am like on the station that I'm supposed to be. Things went good, and I say, oh, tickets. Okay, cool. At the end of the train ride, when we came out now, the attend, I don't know what they are called, but the marshals, like the train marshals or whatever, they took the train ticket again. Like when you like the ticket that you purchase, they took it again. It's probably to like recycle it or whatever. I don't know, but yeah. So if y'all want to steal train, it's not possible. Well, it is possible. Anything's possible, but like you can't just walk through because they asked for my ticket and I obviously handed it over. But I wonder how it works if you have like a weekly or a monthly or something like that, because I know you can purchase that as well. So I think for that they probably just like check like, okay, it's in order or whatever. But yeah, from my side I would give it a solid 8 out of 10 for my first like try, like, and that was the first time I've driven train alone, and that's the first time I drive train in like years as well. So a solid 8 out of 10. Yeah, I just don't like how noisy it is, because like the train is quite, no, I wouldn't say quite noisy, but it's quite like there is a noise, you know. It's less noise, it's more noisy than a car, obviously, because it's a big like machine. But that's the only thing I would say that I didn't like. Also, I wanted to look at the view the whole time. You probably can't see me because of the lighting, but I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do about it right now. I also like wanted to look at the view the whole time, but the view behind me, and what happened was I had to turn around the whole time, and then my neck starts getting sore. So that's also, but I guess that's my own problem and nobody else's. So yeah, that's all from me and my train journey. Until next time, bye.